Hello.
Hello,
Hi, what's your name?
my name is Minh Đồng.
Minh Dom, all right, very nice. And Minh Dom, how old are you?
Um, I'm 10 years old.
10 years old, very, very nice. And what do you like to do in your free time?
Um, I like badminton.
Badminton, very nice, very nice. And what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is burger.
Burgers, okay, delicious, very yummy. Now, Minh Dom, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, very good job. Okay, now he wants to drink 12 cups of matcha green tea. Ooh.
Ooh.
Now, does he want to drink 10 cups of matcha green tea?
The guy.
No, listen, sweetie. Does he want to drink 10 cups of matcha green tea? Yes or no?
No.
No, very
No.
good. Does he want to drink 5 cups of matcha green tea?
No.
No. Does he want to drink 12 cups of matcha green tea?
Yes.
Yes, very good job. So, how many cups does he want to drink?
It's 12.
12. Very good job. Perfect. Okay, Minh Dom is out.